TheFluxTrain AI has just hit the market, and it's packed with features that could completely change the way you use AI in your digital workflow. If you're looking for a tool that can streamline your processes and save you time, you're going to want to know about this. In this video, I'll cover 7 crucial things you need to know about TheFluxTrain AI and why it's being called the best just released AI software. First things first. TheFluxTrain AI is designed for marketers, business owners, and content creators looking to get the most out of their digital strategies. Whether you're managing campaigns, automating tasks, or generating content, this software can drastically improve your workflow. But why is it getting so much attention? Stick with me, and I'll break it all down. TheFluxTrain AI's standout feature is its highly intuitive user interface. If you've ever tried AI tools that are difficult to navigate, you know how frustrating that can be. TheFluxTrain, however, offers a clean, user-friendly experience that allows you to jump right in without a steep learning curve. It's perfect for both beginners and pros who want to focus on results, not on figuring out the software. One of the most impressive things about TheFluxTrain AI is its versatility. Unlike some tools that specialize in just one function, this AI offers a suite of capabilities that span content generation, customer engagement, and automation. It can analyze data, optimize your marketing strategies, and even create high-quality written content. It's like having an all-in-one AI assistant that can handle multiple aspects of your business. Another great feature is the AI's learning algorithm. The more you use TheFluxTrain, the smarter it gets. Over time, it adapts to your specific needs, learns your preferences, and fine-tunes its performance to deliver better results. Whether you're managing social media, writing blog posts, or running PPC campaigns, the software gets better with each task you complete, saving you even more time in the long run. But let's talk performance. One of the reasons TheFluxTrain AI has gained so much hype is its speed and efficiency. In the world of digital marketing, time is money, and this software doesn't waste either. Whether it's generating a report, creating content, or performing an analysis, TheFluxTrain delivers results fast, giving you a competitive edge in a crowded market. Now let's talk integrations. TheFluxTrain AI doesn't just operate in a vacuum. It seamlessly integrates with other tools you may already be using, whether it's your CRM, social media platforms, or email marketing software. This means you can easily implement TheFluxTrain into your existing workflow without any major disruptions or time-consuming setup. One key thing to note is that TheFluxTrain AI offers real-time analytics. With up-to-the-minute data, you can immediately see how your campaigns are performing and make adjustments on the fly. The ability to tweak things in real time can be a game changer for anyone who's trying to maximize their ROI. Lastly, the pricing of TheFluxTrain AI is pretty reasonable for what it offers. Many similar AI tools charge a premium for the range of features TheFluxTrain includes, but they offer a free trial so you can try it out for yourself. If you like what you see, you can upgrade to unlock even more advanced features. To sum it up, TheFluxTrain AI brings a combination of speed, versatility, and ease of use to the table, making it a must-try for marketers and business owners. Don't just take my word for it, though. You can try TheFluxTrain AI completely free through the first link in the description below. After testing thousands of AI software solutions, I've narrowed down my top recommendations, and TheFluxTrain AI is definitely one to watch. Check out my recommended AI tools in the description to get started for free.